What's up, everybody? In this video, we are going over to Etsy to look at some top sellers listings and critique them. Why? Because a lot of people copy top sellers when creating their own listings, but they fall into error by doing so. Why? Because what works for giant sellers does not work for smaller sellers. Giant sellers that most people copy off of, they've gotten so much momentum over the years, or they've gotten so much click-through rate from great photos, etc., that their success in terms of their SEO or their tags or whatever, if you copy them, it is absolutely not going to equal your success. So, my name is Dave. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Check out the description for helpful links. Shout out to everybody in the Slow Sales Solutions course. I'll be doing an update to that course very soon, so get into that course. Okay, so today we're going to be using a app called Everbee. It really helps me because it kind of gives us some insight to whether or not a listing is actually selling. So this is another big thing, is when people go and copy top sellers listings, seeing, oh, this shop has 5 million reviews, but the listing that you're copying, just because it shows up on a page that you find, does not mean that it's selling well. So that's where Everbee comes in. I'll show that to you in a second. We're going to be starting with home decor because home decor is one of the most popular categories on Etsy. Check this out, 19 million listings. And you can do great in home decor. Definitely don't let that discourage you. The more the better. The more competition, that should not scare you. A lot of people use different SEO research tools and they see a lot of competition, they freak out. Don't worry about that. So let's just check out the analytics for this search result page. All of this is fresh to me. I haven't checked out any of the analytics, so we're going to be going along this journey together. So this is really cool about Everbee. It shows you the estimated monthly sales, the amount, how many sales, and the estimated monthly revenue. So let's definitely check out this one, because Everbee is estimating that this one is making almost $200,000 a year. A month. Sorry. Wow. Yeah. So we're going to check this out real quick. A really cool part of Everbee is that it allows you to look at the tags, because Etsy hid this. Etsy hid this recently. Etsy hid the ability to look at tags. So Everbee allows you to do so. Here you can see it right here. You can see all the tags. So this is super useful when you're browsing Etsy, because you can take those keywords and put them into your favorite SEO search result. So here's some glass artwork by Local Art Glass PDX. Here's dinner. It's just called dinner. This was from an ad too. So let me go back to the other page real quick. This was from dinner and it's on an ad, and that's super weird. Let's find out more about this, because this is really weird. It's glass artwork, and supposedly it sells enough to make this person $200,000 a month. Okay, well, let's just look at we have to look at the shop now. They got some interesting pieces here. Yeah, wow. Okay. Let's look at this one. I didn't think this video would take this turn, but hey, here we are. This is some freaky stuff, man. Let's look at the analytics for this listing now. So here is one perfect example of what I wanted to talk about today. So a lot of people see like, oh, cool, this shop has 10,000 sales, and this app like Everbee is estimating that it's making 10K a month with this one listing. This is definitely not something you're gonna want to model your SEO off of. This shop is likely a freaking anomaly in the world of Etsy, and if it really is making so much per month in some of these listings, it's likely some kind of local celebrity type thing. This one's out of Portland. lots of weird stuff out of Portland. So whoever is buying this stuff, they're just it's like a local anomaly is what I would guess out of this. So I mean, here's a tag you definitely wouldn't want to use if you want to make $10,000 a month on one listing. Fried chicken down here. Yeah. Okay. So let's just go back to home decor so we can get a little more out of this video. I'm gonna go. Let's see here. I'm gonna go to a different shop that has a lot more reviews. This one right here, 9,000 reviews. I'm gonna go to custom quote sign. Let's pick this one apart because it's a bestseller. It's from a big store here, and let's see what Everbee is estimating its sales at. Okay, $2,600. So how Everbee estimates this is Everbee is connected to the Etsy API, which is Etsy's backdoor, the backdoor of data. Etsy gives this connection to app developers. So that's how all your favorite apps get the data to give to you. They organize it, etc. They build the app. But Etsy allows for app developers to access information. So this estimation here, it may be give or take, but it is accurate. So let's check it out. Custom quote sign, your custom quote, woodwords, woodword cutout, laser cut, wedding gift, wooden wall art, home decor, wall decor. Okay, so yeah, I wouldn't like copy this title. You know, there's some repetition. Home decor, wall decor, you know, I would cut decor out, home, wall decor, you know, and then in the tags you do home decor, wall decor. That would shorten the title, give more power to the other words. Wood word cut out, laser cut. Wedding gift, wooden wall art. Custom quote sign. Your custom quote, that's like speaking to the customer. A lot of sellers do this. Like they'll say multiple colors available, right, in the title, and that's a no-no. If there's multiple colors available in the variations, Etsy shows that in the search results underneath each listing, and you're wasting your space. Do not put information in your title like free shipping, multiple colors available, etc. You do not want to do that. That information is for the description and for the variations. Your title and your tags is for pretty much speaking directly to the algorithm. Yeah, it needs to be coherent so the customer can read it, but it's more 80 to 90% for the algorithm to put that product in front of the right customers. So I wouldn't do your custom quote. I'm not going to go and search it in Marmalade right now, but I would be willing to bet money. I don't know. Your custom quote is likely not the greatest demand in search results. Custom quote sign probably is, and stuff like that, or personalized sign. I know personalized sign is huge. So here's a seller that is really big, really successful, doing pretty well with this listing in particular. But if you were a smaller seller trying to get, a leg up on your competition, this is not something you would want to model your SEO off of. So I see people make that mistake all the time. So if you want to try Everbee, I would definitely suggest it. I've been using it. The link is in the description. You can support the channel by using it. Check it out. Let's check out one more listing together. Okay, let's do another really high review store. Let's see. This one, perfect. 10,000 reviews on this store. 76,000 sales. Wood world map wall art, wood large wall decor. First of all, can you please use some commas? Like, please use some commas like that. You don't have to, like, the algorithm doesn't care if you use commas, bars, whatever, but dang, just come on, please use some commas. Like, that's just a personal preference of mine. It just looks really spammy and just that's how I feel about it. I'm sorry, you might feel differently. Wood world map wall art, comma, wood large wall decor, comma, travel home decor, comma, word I don't know, comma, housewarming gift, comma, anniversary gift for husband, comma, enjoy the wood. This is, okay, for this store, this is another perfect example. I'm glad I chose this one. Okay, so enjoy the wood is is the store name. With 76,000 sales, I guarantee you people are typing in enjoy the wood to find the store. People know about the store. They're coming back to Etsy to buy from them, etc. But I see a lot of small time sellers putting their name in the title or the tags. This is a waste of time unless you are big. Until you're big, even if you're big, I don't even like doing it. Like it's Etsy is for finding customers that are searching for a specific product. If you're so popular that people are coming back to you, why aren't you sending them to your standalone? Why don't they know about your standalone website? That's where you can make even more money from your customers with upsales, getting their email, etc. Putting your name in the tags. If you're not like some Picasso level, popularity, then it's a waste of time, in my opinion. Like, please stop doing that. And this is a perfect example. If people would see this and model their listing off of this and go, oh yeah, I'm gonna put my shop name in the title and the tags. No, do not do that. You're wasting space. Use it for SEO, please. All right, let's look at the analytics. Again, you can grab Everbee in the description below. Helps support the channel. You don't pay any extra. Helps support these videos. $7,800 a month. World wood map, large wall art, housewarming gift, 5th anniversary gift. Don't know that word. Enjoy the wood. That's their shop name. Gift for husband, world map, wall art, world map push pin, map of the world, wooden wall map, home wall decor, 3D world map. That's pretty good. I would go with it. Yeah, so the only critiques for this listing, it would be to use commas and they can keep it in there because they're really, really big. But that's it for this video, guys. If you want to support the channel, please try Everbee with the link in the description. Subscribe if you have not yet already, and let me know what you think of the video in the comments below. Have a nice day.